So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Now this is the newest phone in the A series line. It currently sells for $450, so it does have a mid-range price point. However, I am super excited to check this thing out, so let's unbox it. Of course, as I'm going over it, if you want to check out our full detailed review on our website, I also have a link in the description. Okay, anyways, let's see what it comes with. Looks like a charging cable, I felt, and probably a user manual. Now, as far as the color options for this phone, you get it in black, white, blue, and peach. I almost got it in peach, but I decided to go with black this time around, and so far, before getting the plastic off the phone, looks pretty nice. All right, here we go with the user manual as expected. Don't really need this. I'm just going to toss it to the side. Charging cable. Probably got 1,000 of these at this point, so I'm just going to put that to the side. Anyways, let's get the wrapping off this phone and take a look at it. Now, the one thing I will say about the A series line is that they do come with nice designs, and this one looks really nice. The phone's got a quad camera on it as well. And yeah, man, looking real sleek for sure. Very nice design, feels nice. I'm going to hold it up to the camera for you guys so you can see it a little bit closer. All right, very nice. Now this phone does have a 64 megapixel back camera on it, so it should be solid for phone photography as well. Anyways, let's power this thing up. Okay, so to save some time, I skipped through the startup screen, and I will say I really like the wallpaper that comes stock on this phone. One of the things I always do when I start up a new phone is check out some of the wallpapers that come with it, and I'm actually a little bit disappointed because all of the wallpapers on here are actually also on the A52, so there's really not a whole lot that's new on here except for the one that it comes with. Now, as far as the screen size on this phone, it's a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. The one thing I will say about this phone that is amazing is that it's got a 5,000 mAh built-in battery, which means this phone is going to have an incredible battery life on it. Also comes with 128 gigabytes of base storage. Now, you might be wondering, is there any difference in this phone from the previous generation? I actually have the A52 on the right in blue, and as far as designs go, I mean, they look very similar clearly, but you're going to have some better internal specs on the A53. But I did want to just quickly show you, the A52 so you can see there's not a whole lot different as far as the design and everything goes. Now, I do want to do a quick video test and sound quality test, so I'm going to let this clip play. Let's check it out.
Yet, I'm the one left standing. And now, I can take from you anything I want. Your memories, your skills, your secrets. And when I have them, I will put them to good use. To find my children and bring my family back together.
All right, I also had some time to download a quick game, so we're going to do a little gameplay here, and I'll give you my final thoughts on my first impressions of the A53. Okay, so my first impressions with the Galaxy A53 is that it is an impressive phone. However, if they dropped the price on it like $100, I think it would make a lot more sense. You know, it's selling for $450 plus tax, but if it just dropped $100, I think a lot more people will probably end up buying this phone. It is an alternative, however, to getting a Galaxy S21 or S22, which is still going to cost more money. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, if you want to learn more about this phone, we'll have some resource links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.